Making chicken tortilla soup. So kind of cheating. We're using this pre-made pollo asada that I found at the market. I think you're supposed to use it for grilling, but we're gonna chop it up and use it for our soup today. So cube it up, small pieces, bite-sized pieces. Get that all browned up in our Dutch oven. Alright, so we got this in our Dutch oven, getting this all browned up. There's a couple pieces of orange in there already, the packet, so looks good. We'll use it up. Next we're gonna chop up our cilantro. We like cilantro. Get that all chopped up. Get all the good bits out of the bottom of our Dutch oven, so make sure we scrape that up. We're going to add some chicken broth to help with that. Deglaze the pan. Get all that yummy bits up. We're going to add the whole box of chicken stock. Next we got our stewed tomatoes. We got this in Mexican style, so add that one in, and a can of crushed tomatoes also. Rinse that out with some water and add that to our Dutch oven. Next we're adding our chopped up cilantro. We're not going to add all of it, probably about half of it, whatever that bundle was, and save the rest of it for later. So we can have some fresh cilantro with our soup. A little bit of garlic. I like garlic, so add that in. Get that all simmered up. So canned corn, add that in. And we got our low sodiums, black beans. Add that up in there. Get that a good stir. Add our seasonings. We got some ground cumin, a little bit of that in there to taste. Some chili powder. Add that up in there to taste. However you like it. All good to go. Give that a good stir. Mix it all up. And let that soup up for a while. The longer you cook it, probably better. So I'm going to plate it up, which is the other good part of this. Get that up in our bowl. And a little bit of lime juice in there. A little bit of cheese. We got our cilantro. Add that up in there, freshly. Some sour cream. And usually you would use regular avocado, but we're going with the guacamole. Soup season, chicken tortilla soup.